Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Let's get started. First, log in to your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a small arrow pointing downward. Click on that arrow. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. Click on See More in Account Center. Next, click on Personal Details. Now click on Account Ownership and Control. Next, you'll see a section called Deactivation and Deletion. Click on View next to it. Here, you'll have two options: Deactivate Account and Delete Account. Since we want to deactivate the account, select Deactivate Account and then click Continue to Account Deactivation. Facebook will then ask you to enter your password for security reasons. After you enter your password, click Continue. After that, you'll need to provide a reason for deactivating your account. Select the option that best matches your reason, and if you want, you can provide more details in the text box below. Facebook may offer some alternatives depending on the reason you chose, but if you're sure about deactivating, just scroll down and click Deactivate. Finally, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Deactivate Now to complete the process. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now deactivated. Remember, this process is reversible, so you can always reactivate your account by logging back in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.